Dream Magic Girl.
Hey there, dreamers. Welcome to my channel where life is a colorful adventure. I am your host, the Dream Exit Girl, and I am here to take you on a journey through my everyday life filled with laughter, love, and a whole lot of tail-wagging fun. Join us as the weather gets better and planning for a second season of camping and exploration begins. This was finally the week we got to pick up our trusty camper Rick. Now, you can join me as I explore beautiful parks and camping spots with my 3 furry companions, each with their own quirky personalities. From heartwarming moments to hilarious misadventures, this channel is all about embracing the magic in the mundane and finding joy in every life experience. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this dreamy adventure together. Let's go! Good Tuesday morning. I'm about to get in the shower. It's a busy morning again. Yesterday, I didn't film much or go for a walk because I had a CT scan on my abdomen, and yeah, I came back. I had things to do, paperwork, get the movie out, and today I got to work on some more paperwork stuff, a resume and cover letter, and I got to answer some questions because I'm applying for a different position at my work. So I don't know, and it looks really crappy out. I'll try and squeeze in a walk, but I'm just not sure I'm going to even get to it. Might be rough the beginning part of this week, but I got the 3 days off later this week that I'm counting on to have some fun. Especially if I can get this paperwork done today and that out of the way. Then I work 2 days and I'm off 3. So let's see how things go. Anyway, hopping in the shower. John's at the dentist. Chris has got to get to work. So I got things to do. See ya. He's taking off down the way again. Come here! Hey! Oh my gosh! Brutus, come on! Don't be a dork. That's not the deal. Come here right now. Hey, you're in trouble. Get your butt over here. Don't you even think about it. You. Are you trying to make mommy mad? You stay here, close. You hear me? Come on, let's go. Let's go say hi to Daddy. Where's Daddy? Huh? That worked. Huh. And he did poop, which is good. And now I gotta go out and do my resume print stuff. My printer's broken. I'm gonna watch it that I don't step and poop. Spring is a treacherous time of year in the backyard when you have dogs. Okay, guys, are we going in the house? We're going in the house, yes. Everybody being good. Let's do this. 10:30 in the morning. I'm going to try and get this stuff done today. And up the driveway they go. They're going in and I'm heading out. John's home from the dentist. I hate doing resumes and typing up answers to questions, unless it's in university. Good morning, and a happy Good Friday. It's Easter weekend. The last couple of days has flown by. I haven't had a chance to video anything, let alone do anything at all anyway, other than come home, sleep, and then go back. So And on top of it, I'm still trying to finish off answering the questions and updating my resume. I've actually answered the questions, so I just got to do a cover letter and update my resume. I thought I might have had some time at work the last couple of days, but like I said, it was crazy busy, so no, I got no chance. So now this morning I'm doing it because the deadline's 4 o'clock today. So I got to get cracking at that, but if I get it done, I can take the dogs for a walk. I really hope it doesn't take me too long because I'm such a perfectionist. Anyway, the more I talk to you, the less I'm going to get done. Hallelujah! I just hit send on the email. I made it. It's 11:59 and the deadline was 4 o'clock today. I actually revamped my resume to make it more current. I hope I caught everything. Like, I was kind of in a rush because I don't want to lose the whole day. It's my son's birthday today. And then tomorrow it's my granddaughter. So I'm going to take the dogs out, I think, for a little bit now. Wow, what a glare. Anyway, yeah, take the dogs out for a bit. And then I got to go do some... Oh, I can't shop today. It's Good Friday. All right. Well, I might take Chris for dinner. We'll see how things go. If he wants to, or if he wants to hold off and do it when the stores are open earlier tomorrow. Anyway, let's see what I can get up to. I'm going to have a little snack, treat myself to an oatmeal raisin cookie. Yum, I'm starving. I deserve it. And see what happens. I hope I got the job. I hope I can really do a good job at it. But I'm a perfectionist, and yeah. And the last girl was really good. She jumped into the position really quick, and everyone was so impressed with her. So I got some pretty big shoes to fill. Yeah, I'm outside now with the dogs. I got that thing done. You saw my yay thing just a sec ago. It is a rainy, cloudy Good Friday of 2025 in Bowmanville, Ontario. And Brutus looks like he's going to try and take off. Or he's just going to sniff out there, hopefully. I don't feel like running after him and yelling today. I really don't. I think after all that, I'm going to lay down and sleep for an hour. Hopefully the sun comes out while I'm napping, and I can take them for a walk later. Maybe Chris will come with me because it's his birthday, and we can go to a special park and have a nice afternoon, because I can't spend any money on him today since nothing's open. Anyway, I'm gonna sign out right now and just kind of keep an eye on them, especially him. Hey, come here. Come on, you stay here. Good boy. Good boy, come. Good boy, come. Yeah. And there's the girls, and he's just up against my leg now, being a cutie patootie. See? He's getting some loving. Some loving. Some loving from Mommy. Mommy loves you. And there's little Venus. Should zoom in on her. There. Making cutie faces. Sometimes wonder what goes on in their minds. Sometimes wonder what goes on in your heads. She's so dainty when she walks. Like a little A little princess. And then she's so gross and eats and sniffs the yuckiest things. What a funny dog. Alright, now I got light collars on the dogs, and it worked really well. I was chasing Brutus around the backyard, and he couldn't hide on me or get away. He's dark colored. Brutus, come here. See what I mean? He's always pushing it. Come here. Hey. And I got him in one that like changes colors. Venus is set on pink and Indy's on red, so I know who's who. So there we go. We're set for the summer, and they're rechargeable. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I went out in the hot tub. I've just been in a few minutes, and all of a sudden we've got lightning, we've got thunder, it's raining, not too hard. It's dark over there. Let's see if I can catch a lightning bolt. There it was. Woohoo! Lightning. It's far though, I think, because there we go. Here comes more rain. Wonder if I get any of the lightning. Let's see. Just up here earlier, and here comes a whole load of rain. Oh, 4 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. So it's 5 miles away. For those of you who don't know, you just count Mississippi's and it tells you how many miles away the actual lightning is. Anyway, okay. Signing out. It's raining out here. Okay, it's almost noon. Me and the pups are going for a walk. And then I gotta go to my granddaughter's birthday. Kind of. Like, she's got a soccer game today in Pickering, so I'm gonna go see her play. Probably get some video of that, because she's apparently a superstar. And then we're probably gonna go for dinner. I just want to take the dogs out for a run before I take off. So we're going to go probably just to Camp 30 and do a nice round around there. Praying nobody's there because it's Easter weekend and maybe a lot of people are away. Keeping my fingers crossed. Hi, folks. So, the dogs are freaking out, but there's people here at the park. I hate it. I don't want people here. Now I gotta have them on the leash. We made it one loop around Camp 30, but I've had to keep like 2 of them on a leash all the time and 3 of them on a leash part of the time because there were people here. Yeah. I see the one guy there, way over there. You probably can't see him on the video, but anyway. It's been fun. So, almost done. Gonna load them in the car and bring them home. Holy moly, traffic's bad. It's taking me forever to get to my granddaughter's soccer game. I hate cars in my way. I'm almost at the ramp I gotta get off of though. 3.2 kilometers. I don't know, I might even get off at Salem and then use like Highway 2 or something. I'm gonna make up my mind. Into the City of Pickering Soccer Center. Didn't even know this existed. I see him way down there. Like way down there. Cheersing. Oops.
Charlotte.
To Charlotte. To Charlotte. To Charlotte.
Yep.
He's offering you some of this. He wants to cheers you.
In 5 minutes. Maybe we make it.
Well, you
This
good?
was a failed adventure. I'm pretty
You got
sure
big
we
nose,
could
you
pull
know.
over somewhere here on the side of the
Where are
road.
you?
Now, being that it's a small town, and even on Overlander, there was nothing.
You're a good boy. What you are? You're a good boy.
She doesn't like to be on camera.
Aw, Bruty.
He's so vocal, eh?
He's crazy and he's pushing me right off the Okay, I've got them all with lights on now. In the back, color coded. So no matter what, I can see them 100 miles away. Even when we go camping in the dark. How cool is that? Yesterday he was looking at himself on his side, wondering what the reflection of the lights was. Brutus, I'm watching you. Hey! Okay, I gotta go get him. Good morning, all. Happy Easter. It's Easter Sunday. And I'm getting ready because we're going to pick up Rick. That's a good Easter gift. So, gotta go get ready. And I'll catch up with you in a few minutes. But, yay.
It's time to go on a journey. The world's my show. With a map and a smile on my way. New adventures every day. Traveling far under the stars, across the seas where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. Mountains high and valleys low. In every place there's more to know. With every step I feel so free. The road ahead is calling me. Traveling far under the stars, across the seas where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. Meeting new friends and seeing new sights under the sun and the moonlight nights. With open hearts and open eyes, the world is big, a grand surprise. Traveling far under the stars, across the seas where dreams are free. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. New places to find, leaving worries behind. Traveling the world, feeling so alive. So come with me, let's take a ride. With the wind and the ocean tide. Every moment a memory. Traveling the world, just you and me.
We need to stop. With that dog. He's cute and all, but you can't. Here comes Rick. Look! Rudy, look! Look! Where's the camper? Is that the camper? Is that the camper coming out? Look! Look! It's the camper! Aww! There's the camper! Are we gonna go camping again? Are we? Alright, so Daddy's gotta drive that home, and I gotta drive the car home. And you're gonna say goodbye to the dog. Living in the car. All friendly, and he's being like stupid. No, he was going nuts in the parking lot because of the other dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wanted out, didn't he?
Yes, he did. But I don't know if they were going to be friends or not.
He doesn't want to be friends with other dogs and a boy. One brake light out, eh?
Yeah, that side's not working.
Yeah.
Not signaling either. That side worked. Alright, we're down at the beach. There's some cute ducks in the water there. Not sure if you can see them. And that big opening from this river is now like smaller. Become much smaller, and I think we can make it across and go this way down the beach instead, which is like lovely. It's a little tiny thing that I think we can all hop. And once I get across the other side of this here, then I can let him off. There. How's that? Just a little river running right into Lake Ontario. And we're gonna hop across. Come on, let's go across. I made it. Across the river. Venus made it. Okay, come here, birdie. I'm gonna take their leashes off and get right back with you. Alright, we're going the opposite way now. Towards the sun instead of with it to the back of us. And where the trees were, and I had a log and everything the one summer. I could just sit here and relax. They're having a blast up there though. Pretty awesome though, wow. Ah, I love it. Oh, how cool, fire spot. Come on, Birdie. Brutus, come on. Go down the beach. Come on.
Walking by the shore so free. Waves are dancing just for me. Golden sand beneath my feet. Ocean song, a rhythm sweet. Oh, the waves, they call my name. Every time they feel the same. Crash and roll, a gentle art, touching deeply in my heart.
Oh, Brutus is being a dork again today. Making me like freak out. Not staying. They all try to roll in gross stuff instead of just enjoying the walk in the water. It is gorgeous, like look. I love it. Stuck
Sun is shining up so high. Blue horizon passing by. Seagulls singing in the breeze. All the world feels calm and peace. Oh, the waves, they call my name. Every time they feel the same. Crash and roll, a gentle art, touching deeply in my heart. By the shore, my soul can stay, watching waves all through the day. Ocean whispers soft and true. I find my peace here with you. Oh, the waves, they call shore, my soul can stay, watching waves all through the day. Ocean whispers, soft and true, I find my peace here with you.
You're gonna make it? Come on. Come on, Venus. Hey, come in. Let's go. Come on. Come on, then. This is amazing. I'm loving it. God, there's these little yellow flowers growing out of the cliff. I'll zoom in so you can kind of see them better. But there you go. Aren't they cute? Yeah. They're getting far away. Holy. Oh yeah, I've sat here before with that big rock. That big rock. I don't have anyone with me today, though I would sit there for a little bit. Hang out. Maybe we see some wildlife. What a beautiful beach. You gotta be careful here though. I got hurt here. I got nothing to complain about. There we go. We're gonna make it to the end over there and then I'm gonna work my way back. That will be my walk for today. Yeah, you can't beat this. There's water coming from something ahead. Let's see if I can see it. Somewhere there. Not sure what that's for. You're gonna go out a bit and walk towards it. Dogs are having fun. We're gonna make it up to that corner and then we're going back. Nobody behind us. So I got lots of space moving around. I think this was a good choice today. You know, I've done a lot of beach lately, especially down here. But we didn't have a chance to go this way and the river's changed. Instead of it being that big, scary, fast-running thing that it was a few weeks back. It was a skinny little fast-running thing that I could hop. Okay. It's not a beautiful waterfall or nothing. That's coming. I'll be doing those in summer. I was just watching another YouTube channel where the girl bought herself her own van, even though they already have like one and they have a house, and she's gonna go traveling on her own. And you know what? She didn't buy a brand new, like really freaking awesome thing either. It's a real fixer-upper. So you know what? I'm gonna start looking again because I'm kind of in the market for a vehicle anyway. So if I can combine the two, so that I have a vehicle plus something I can camp in. Ooh, and a girl's one, you know, a girl's camper. I can take my granddaughter away in it, my daughter-in-laws, my mom. Try to make it as like accessible as possible. Anyway, it's a thought. It's a thought I've just put out to the universe. Come on! Come on! This this way. Hey! Bye! Bye! That's cool, a big hunk of wood. Just sitting here. Okay, come on guys, let's go this way. Come on. Heading back. And he's gonna run, because he always does. Little princess coming. The Mrs. Princess. Hey, stop bothering her. Rudy, come on. Don't be rude. Come on, we're going this way. We're going this way. There you go. Come on, let's go back. That's a nice run. We're going to go all the way back to the car now, which is like way beyond that point over there. You're going to try and climb? He is too. He's being a mountain climber. Let's see. See where he is? Hey! He thinks he's smart, my mountain goat. That's a good shot, doesn't it? I can go back sometimes. My papa. My papa. So yeah, we picked up Rick, which means I got a bunch of cleaning to do. There he is, behind me, in a nut bar. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to clean up Rick, like lots of cleaning. Fridge definitely needs it. Yeah, and just like dust everything off nicely. And that bird is not allowed near my dog. It's cool though, whatever it is. Way off in the distance now. But it was really close to us and it's got a huge wingspan. And I didn't want it coming near Venus. She's my baby, not hers. There's Brutus just having a blast with the water at the beach. Thinking he's just Mr. Smarty Pants. You having fun? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Yes, you are. We're back around the corner and there's a cave. I don't see anybody. It's good. I think it could be a perfect Easter Sunday for 20 combo. Trees are alive with birds right now, little black birds flying in there. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah. Everything's come alive. Feels so good today. And Brutus is just there watching everything flitter and flutter about. Yeah. I bet you they're gonna fly when we walk by. The water is crashing in there. We're not gonna scare the birdies. Hear them in there though. Okay, I can't film. It's too jerky with the dog on my leash. See them all up ahead. And try and zoom in. There we go. Alright. Leafs are playing tonight. Wearing my jersey. Just at the store getting some snacks. And then we're heading back home. I'm gonna watch the game. Just starting. Toronto-Ottawa playoffs. Go Leafs, go. Leafs are ahead.
Why did you start planning the parade?
2-0.
Good question. Why?
Anyway, we're winning.
Riley across, Ekman Larson. Glove stop Omar with Domi tapping the glove as Ottawa returns to full strength.
Hey y'all. So the time has come to say goodbye for another week. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the views I'm getting. It was actually a good week last week. So, and this week I am going to be cleaning the camper. Here's an inside view. Pretty cool, huh? So, yeah. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Subscribing's free. And don't forget to be good to each other. And camping's coming.